Morning traders, and this is your Aussie day trade setup for today. So, as expected, we got the gap down and the move continued through the day. This is a fairly strong trend at the moment, the downside, so logic dictates that you would expect it to continue. Again, ignore this last candle. It's again my broker, but the point that we have at the moment is that is our trend line, pretty much in a channel right now, and there's nothing to indicate that this may stop. So if I look at what's happening yesterday, the US markets were hammered again, and the Nasdaq was down 1.7%. Rand dollars, Rand is slightly stronger at the moment, but that's not going to bode well for any longs. And 10 cent is down 0.4% at the moment. So I do suspect another move to the downside, but I think it's going to be pretty short-lived. I think we're probably going to pause somewhere around I think that would be the first most logical area here, would be 48,300 area. Okay, so that's kind of what I suspect we're going to see, and you can see that's fairly close at the moment. So for me, this is a keep my stop loss below each fractal. Okay, so this is the area I'd be watching to see what's going to happen. If something does happen here, I'm not really keen to chase along. Wait for confirmation. I think today is going to be a case of waiting for confirmation on a direction one way or another. The US markets have also kind of paused at the moment, and futures markets ever so slightly up. So I do suspect that we're either going to consolidate for a bit this morning and then continue, or alternatively consolidate the whole day, or even a gentle pullback to come and test something. But any pullback to me is a selling opportunity at the moment. So daily, we've got a crossover of the alligators at the moment. We don't have a crossover of the awesome oscillator at the moment. So that is something else to worry about. And the other thing to bear in mind is we are at the 72.6 Fibonacci at the moment. So it's a touch and go at the moment, I think. And one of the things that we can just double check everything is on the daily. So we've broken through the cloud on the daily, and as with any cloud break on ichimoku, I never take that break. Wait for the pullback and then take the break. So the only thing that we have here is the break of the cloud on the daily. We have a twist happening. Okay, we don't have a crossover on Kijis and Stevenson, and we don't have Chico span through price. So only thing we've got is a cloud break, and that's not a very strong bullish, or sorry, bearish signal in this case. The 4 hour, we had the crossover here, Chico span is through price and the cloud, and we got the twist. So that was a signal, and right now, there's no reason to get out of this. Okay, so any pullback is to be sold, and the pullback that I'd be looking for is going to be either there or there. Okay, so I'd be looking at 48,961 or alternatively 49,155 as an area to get short again. Okay, that's kind of my view at the moment. Probably going to just sit and watch this for a bit to see what we get. If we do get any form of break to the downside, sort of there, if we can get a 12-minute close below that fractal there, which we've already had at the close, that's going to trigger a short for me, a 48,470 area, but my stop is going to be fairly close, and it's pretty much going to be at the 48,660 or 48,610 area. Okay, so stop pretty much a 200-point stop loss. Okay, anyway guys, that's it for me today. Hope it helps, and I'll catch you later. Cheers for now.